Sugar manufacturing begins with sucrose-rich sugarcane, harvested at optimal maturity.
Transcription. Harvested cane must be processed within 24 hours to avoid inversion losses.
All deliveries, Weybridge on the left.
Cane is transported to the factory using trucks or rail-based logistic systems.
Gross and tare weights are recorded to calculate net cane weight.
Imbibition water is sprayed to maximize sucrose recovery. Shredding ruptures cane cells to release sucrose-bearing juice.
Prepared cane increases juice extraction efficiency in milling.
The cane carrier regulates uniform feed to processing equipment. Residual fiber leaving the mills is known as bagasse.
Bagasse moisture content is typically around 50%.
First, we select a representative sugarcane stalk from the batch.
Now, Grillington stock everything like knock in the Pan-based user to bring the Luton transit to the Changa Cup.
Job of the instant the might chip on is the end gate pan headers march that day. Okotina to the course gap the typical care of the Tunbog desire is based to
What are you making today?
I'm making some tea. And you?
Oh, I am baking a cake, look.
Mummy, can I have a cookie?